Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a group of irregular verbs that all follow a similar pattern. Think, buy, bring, catch, teach. If you can remember one of them, the others will be much easier to learn. Let's get started. The pattern: think, thought, thought. Buy, bought, bought. Bring, brought, brought. Catch, caught, caught. Teach, taught, taught. These verbs change their vowel in the past simple and keep the same form in the past participle. Now, let's look at the meaning of each verb and some common examples. Think means to use your mind to consider something or form an opinion. I think this is a great idea. She thought about the problem all day. I've thought about your suggestion, and I think you're right. Buy means to get something by paying money for it. I usually buy my clothes online. I don't buy into that theory. Buy into means to believe or accept an idea, explanation, or opinion. She bought a new laptop last week. I bought this present for my mum. Buy for means to buy something as a gift or for another person. I've bought all the food for the party. Bring means to take or carry something or someone to a place. I always bring my lunch to work. He brought his camera to the wedding. She's brought some homemade cookies for everyone. Catch means to stop and hold something that is moving, or to capture someone or something. We're playing catch, and my son catches the ball every time. Play catch means to throw and catch a ball with another person for fun or practice. It is a very common expression in English, especially when parents play with their children. She caught the last train home. Don't throw the ball too hard so he can catch it. The police have caught the thief after analyzing the evidence. Teach means to help someone learn something. She teaches geometry at a secondary school. My grandfather taught me how to fish. He's taught maths for over 20 years. Before we finish, let's look at a few common phrasal verbs related to the verbs we've learned today. These expressions are very common in everyday English, so they're well worth learning. Let's take a look. Catch up means to reach the same level as someone or something after being behind. It can also mean to get up to date or to talk with someone after a long time. Examples: I need to catch up on my homework. We met for coffee to catch up. Run! You'll never catch up with them. I don't buy into that theory. Buy into means to believe or accept an idea, explanation, or opinion. Bring up means to mention or introduce a topic in a conversation. Example: now that you bring it up, I think it's a great idea. Think about means to consider or think carefully about someone or something. Example: I'm thinking about buying a new car. Use think over when you need to think carefully about something before making a decision. I'll think it over. Think the offer over. I've thought your suggestion over. I'll think it over and let you know tomorrow. Great job! You've just learned 5 common irregular verbs that follow the same pattern. Thought, bought, brought, caught, taught. Practice them together, and you'll remember them much more easily. See you in the next lesson.